good, fam? It's your boy Mike G. So I'm out here with my 2021 Tesla Standard Range Plus. So originally, when I first drove the first Tesla 3 back in 2018, I drove a performance, and I always said if I get one, I'm gonna get the performance. Fast forward 2021, I drove the Standard Range Plus. It was exciting. Yeah, it didn't have all the bells and whistles that the performance had, but I like the way it looked. And so now I'm doing little mods to make it give a little bit more sporty. All right, let's go check it out. I don't mind my generic carpet floor mats that I had in for now, but so I've unboxed the. I took these out the plastic. This one is real shiny, the dead footrests, but these aren't. I think it's still got a plastic on it, so I'm gonna take them off and put them on there. All right. So there you have them. It was real simple to go on. These just kind of went on. The old one just popped off, and then the new ones went on. Tell me what you think. All right, aloha. All right, what's good, fam? So that wraps it up. Let me know what you think. Again, I say $20,000, but not getting performance. Now, do I wish I could have got the performance one if it was in my budget? Yeah, yes and no. You know, I live in Hawaii. The max speed limit is 60 and only in 2 locations on the island. The 0 to 60 is great. Aesthetically, I love the way the performance look. But the Standard Range Plus, the way I'm starting to dress it up aesthetically, I personally like. So I wanted to share with you that if you are contemplating getting an EV, the Standard Range Plus is not a bad choice for entry level to get you into the EV game. Now, everybody will have their own personal opinion on it or what have you, but again, the reason I'm sharing this with you to let you know that there are things out there. A lot of people try to knock that the Standard Range Plus does not come with the floor mats and what have you and stuff. I think that's not a bad thing, because then that way I get to pick out what floor mats I want, as opposed to whatever came in, me having to spend money to change them out anyway, because more than likely I'm gonna get the rubberized, the all-weather mats. All right, so in the description below I will leave a link to where I got the pedals from, and make sure you subscribe and like and hit that notification bell, because there's going to be some more to come. I have a lot of other things, small things aesthetically, that would change the look of it, so I'm excited about that. All right, Mike G, bid you a warm aloha. Chew.